Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel an order in Amazon. So you can cancel physical items or orders that have not yet entered the shipping process directly from your Amazon account. So orders from third-party sellers may have a shorter cancellation window, typically within one business day. So to start, click on your profile at the top right. Now go to your orders, so just below the account button. So tap on orders. Now once you tap that, here you will see a list of all your orders. So find the order you want to cancel, then select view or edit order. Then click cancel items. So check the box for each item you want to cancel, and to cancel the entire order, you can select all items. Then choose a reason for cancellation from the list provided and select request cancellation to submit your request. Then wait for a confirmation email sent to the address on your account. And to view canceled orders, you can go to your orders and select canceled orders. So you should see it on your side. I don't have it in here because I have not placed an order yet. But if you have placed an order, you should see it in here. So if the order has already shipped from Amazon and can't be changed, refuse delivery or return it using the online returns center. Now, if shipped by a third party seller and can't be changed, you need to contact the seller directly via contact third party sellers. And that should be it. That's how you can cancel an order in Amazon. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.